Hey, guys and gals of YouTube, it's Green Bay Wacky. This comes up all the time. People are doing OBS live streams, and they want to have guests up on their panel, and they're like, oh crap, how do I do it? How do I do it? So I'm going to show you how to do it actually on the fly, and then I'll show you how you can kind of retain it for future use, because it pretty much keys in. I'm going to dedicate this video to Lunatic Dad, my brother Larry. He always says he wrestles with technology, but not anymore. He's getting a lot better. So for this, if he can even do this, then I know I did a good job in the tutorial. Okay, you're doing a live stream. Hey guys, I'm not really live though, but I want to encourage you on this too. One last thing before I go anywhere with this: if you can spring for it, get yourself a second monitor. It would help you so much if you live stream a lot. It doesn't have to be fancy. Look. Over here, I've got an old Acer monitor, just small. Over there, I've got old, from other computer systems I've had. I'm not telling you to run out and buy a $500 monitor. Look at this. Over here, I have a flat screen TV. So you can get creative with them. They're easy to hook up. If you're going to live stream a lot, I would encourage having at least a second monitor. Let's assume you have one, though. You only have one monitor. You're doing a live stream, and you want to pull a panel in. Oh crap, I don't want to. You hate doing this. Like, guys, I've got to end this live stream. I'll be back in like 10 minutes. I'm going to open up a Zoom room. I'll be back. You just want to open up one now while your live stream's going. Okay, hey guys, I'm going to bring some guests up here real quick. Just give me a minute. Here's what you do. You go over here, simply, it's very simple, to the internet. Open up, now remember, the audience doesn't see you doing this. Go to zoom.com. Because you haven't done any kind of a display capture. Simply host a meeting like you normally would. You're opening a Zoom room. The Zoom room's going to open. Now, for me, you see me on a camera because if I have two webcams, you may look like this. But for the sake of my argument, I'll look like this. Remember, the audience doesn't see this. They don't see it. What you've just done, you just opened a Zoom room. Now, make sure the desktop audio is all the way up to the top, because the desktop audio, when the people are in the Zoom room, they're going to be talking. If you were running music on your live stream at half volume, the people are going to be half volume. Slide it all the way up. This is all you do. Go over the scenes, add whatever you want to call it. I'm going to call it a Zoom room. And you're going to get black screen. Now, you simply go to your sources next, right next door. Add, there's three options: window capture, game capture, display capture. I want to show you what window capture does with Zoom now, just so you can physically see it. White screen does not work anymore. It's a glitch in the new Zoom. Window capture is pretty much out for Zoom, so let's get rid of that. Game capture you could do. I personally have had glitches with game capture. I've had some glitches where it stops running after 45 minutes, that kind of stuff. Display capture is really your best option. Give it a name if you want, or just let it be. And now you just tell it okay, you're ready to go. Now, here's what you have to remember. Display capture is just that. See that? How OBS is in the... It's literally showing what your monitor is seeing. All right? See that? So you can just tell the audience, hey, I'm just making a few adjustments here. So what you can do is stretch out your Zoom room, for example. Stretch a little left, a little right. You can go back here and look at it on the screen. You could stretch the bottom down a little bit if you want. And you'll see your OBS is still in the way. Remember, the OBS is here. Once you get it about where you want it, remember, you're just doing this quick. All you do is minimize your OBS, and you should be good to go. And then simply do this. Click on participants. And down on the bottom here, if you look down right here, I know I have this little recording thing going. I should move that off the screen. There we go. That's Phil Moore recording this tutorial. Just click an invite, copy link. But one thing I would advise, I want to show you this. When you do that, put this screen up. And the reason being is, let me show you something here. When you click on invite, you see right here there's a meeting number. It says 815. It's got that number up there. I don't think someone can hack you from that number, but they might be able to. So just to be safe, right, you got your Zoom room up here, right? Let's close this. Let me just close this. That's how you close it. You've got this up. You've got your Zoom room open. When you're going to get the link copied and everything for the people, then what I would do is just go back to your OBS so they don't see this. Now you can see it because I've got a screen capture going on there. Now you can simply go to participants. Audience doesn't see this number drop down. Oh, sorry, invite. Down the bottom here, invite. Copy the link, and now you're ready to give that link to anyone on Hangouts or anything like that. And then this window here up in the top, just close it. You're ready to go. Now go down to your Zoom room, and there you go. Now just minimize your OBS out of the way. Now, it works great if you have a laptop going or your phone, a second screen. You can literally just watch your playback on a different computer to see if you've got your Zoom room kind of in the right place. Make little tweaks on it. That's all you got to do. You can do it right on the fly. Super easy. I do have a video on my channel about how to bring a panel of Google Hangout people in if you don't have the paid version of Zoom. So just go to my channel under videos, type in OBS in the search. You'll find that video. But hopefully this will help you make a quick Zoom room. Again, I'll show you it in real time. Let's get rid of this. Here's one final recap. The room's gone, okay. Doing a live stream. Oh, guys, I want to have some guests up here real quick. You've opened the Zoom room on the internet. I'm going to skip that thing. I think you can remember that you opened a Zoom room. And then you just go down here to the plus. Zoom room. Got the black screen. Remember, the audience is not seeing this right now. They're looking at your OBS. And you go to your display capture. And you add it. Now they're seeing this. And you just give it a little stretch. And then you simply have to get your OBS out of the way. You can minimize it if you want. And there, that's what they see. Hey guys, I'm going to bring some friends into the room. And then remember what I like. Just do this. Go back to your scene real quick when it comes to I'm going to invite people. Now you can click in your participants, invite, copy link, and now you're ready to send that out to Hangouts, Twitter, wherever you have friends. And then you can close that box up top so you get a more complete screen. Now, just simply bring your OBS back to the room you just made and then minimize your OBS. You're good to go. You got guests to come up. Simple. And then what's great about this, if you don't want to have the Zoom room open the whole time once you're done with your friends and you want to go back to your regular live stream, you can just end your room like you normally would. End meeting. Zoom room's gone. Closed. But your live stream's still going. Hey, that was great having guests. And you could do it all over again if you want. And then once that room is open, it's generally keyed in. Like I have one here that's a display capture all ready to go. It's already set up. So in the future, you can do it. So anyway, that's it. Simple. Hope that makes sense. Hope you have an awesome day. And have an awesome day. That's how you add a Zoom room with a display capture. Quickly, efficiently. Remember one last thing. When you do that display capture, everything on your screen shows. So if you have your bank account open, your Google Hangouts, the private messages, whatever it is, get those out of the way. Close your Google Hangouts for a minute. Just make sure there's no personal information that you're going to display up there. So just a reminder. Okay. See ya.